All right, here we go. It is June 27th. Now, last week I did a video on this hive. This is my queen, first queen of the year. And today we're gonna move them into a deep. And then depending on the situation, we're gonna add a super. So let's just take a peek here at what they're up to. And I do believe, I know I was behind time-wise. On the queen timing, because she already had frames of cat brood. So today I'm kind of just expecting they should be emerging from the looks of it, or very close to it. And I'm just going to see where they're at. Just going to go nice and quietly. Early morning today. I'm over at my new farm. If you stick around till the end of the video. All right, they left that open. Oh, she's in it. So she's laid eggs right in there. And she's got, look at the beautiful comb. So this is a brand new frame I gave them. And they've drawn it out beautifully. So let's see what the other one is, but that looks like an outer edge. I'm also going to be giving them 2 more frames, which I gotta grab. Hold on a second. So they will be getting 2 drawn deeps. I'm gonna take the feeder out. I only fed these girls a half a gallon when I first made the split, just to keep them on track, because they don't get very much foragers. Look at the brood. That's the top box. Yeah, so they're getting a super today. And I'll show you that in a little bit. But I'm just gonna clean up a little, girls, because we're gonna be in a new box. New box. So yeah, she is already, she's already digging in. So we're gonna have, I might actually put those frames closer to the middle, because they're brand new. I mean, they're drawn comb. So they'll have, she'll have some space in the middle. They're gonna swarm on me. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Someone suggested I should say she's on fire, which she is. She's amazing. This queen is amazing. What a start. All right, I'm just cleaning up, ladies. I'm seeing newly emerged bees, so I'm hoping the bottom box is gonna have some room for her, because this doesn't at all. So when this emerges, when this emerges, that's 2 frames of good, at least half solid brood, solid cat brood. All right, so this is a problem right here, because I see what we've done is, this is a complete honey frame, and that's empty. So that'll go to the outer edge. That'll be the outer edge. And then this one here, they need to work on. All right. So I like what I see so far. So they have a little bit of room. They're building comb right there. So I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna squeeze one of these, new, brand new. It's a little beat up, but it's drawn comb. So I'm actually gonna put it closer to the middle. Let them work on that. All right, so that's it for the first box, top box. That was 5 frames. All right, we got that off. All right, let me make sure you're seeing what I'm still seeing, I do believe. I'm gonna go down a little bit like this. Of course not, there we go. All right, sorry about that. All right, next I'm gonna smoke them down a little bit. I'm gonna try to get that feeder out. Like I said, I haven't fed them, so everything they got in here, other than a half a gallon, which I would assume they consumed it right away because they had no forager bees. This is all what they've done. Okay, come on, girls. All right, here we go. All right, so feeder's coming out. And we'll get right to everybody else. Now I got room. There you go. Come on, girls. All right, get out of there. All right, that didn't make you happy. All right, so this should be 3 middle frames, and then I'm gonna gap and put a drawn. All right, so we've got emerging brood, and there she is right there. And of course, I did not bring my pen. Look at her go. Whoa, where are you going? Whew, she's huge already. All right, I'm not gonna mess too much with her, but things look great right there. She is a monster. Look at that frame. All right, so she's going right next to drawn frame, completely open. Let's hope that's what she finds. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sandwich her in between 2 completely open frames. That's it. And then now, either way she goes, she's going to be right onto a drawn frame, plenty of room. And actually, we'll see in probably what, a week, 2 weeks, how she did. All right, so we got emerging brood and a whole lot of brood. I mean, they're already on the drones. They're already content enough to draw raise drones. So I'm not going to do much more here. All right, just give me a little bit of room, ladies. A little bit of room. All right. And then what I'm going to do here is, so this is, all right, so she's got eggs there and larvae. So they're getting, I'm going to squeeze this right in the middle. That's the brood. Okay. All right, so now we have beautiful. Whoo-wee, man, she's a monster. All right, girls, I'm gonna finish off here. Put you right where you belong. There we go. Come on, get out there. Come on, girls, go. That's it, clean them up. Now, I hate doing this part because you get some of the dirt. Don't try to, whoa, there goes my reducer. All right, girls, I know. Whew. Okay, so. All right, single brood chamber, right into it. And now, because I am getting so much drawn comb, these girls are getting, oops, 4 extracted frames. There you go. You're not sitting right. There you go. So let's see what they do. Those are extracted. So they got 4 drawn extracted frames. Give them some space. You don't need that just yet. I think you got my arm. All right, so I'll come back and I'll mark the top of this. So we'll get a good idea what we're up to. So this is the new yard. I got more room for stands. So far, that's what I got. These girls are all, fortunately the timing's a little off, but look at this. Wait till you see. Now, if you look, sorry, that's all goldenrod in the back. So you look at that, and then come over here. I mean, talk about being tucked away, out of sight, out of mind. No one's gonna bother them. The owner of this property believes in wildflowers. Looks pretty good, don't it? Anyways, I'm excited. This is my third yard. And that's it. They're gonna leave all that in the center. So thank you for watching.